Pawb, croeso I Dysgu Cymraeg gyda'r Teulu, misworth yma. Y dyddiad heddiw yw dydd Mercher, 25 Ebrill. Heddiw, dyn ni'n dysgu Rhifau a sawl 1. Good morning everyone, Miss Worth here. Today is Wednesday, the 25th of April, and today we will be learning numbers and how many. In the foundation phase, we begin learning our numbers from 1 to 10. I will demonstrate what those numbers are with the help of some pictures. Number 1, 1. Number 2, 2. Number 3, 3. Number 4, 4. Number 5, 5. Number 6, 6. Number 7, 7. Number 8, 8. And number 9, 9. Number 10, 10. If you want to play some counting games at home with your children, or when you're out and about to try and count the rainbows that you see, you can say Rhifau gyda fi. Count with me. Let's see how many rainbows we can see. Rhifau gyda fi. 1, 2, 3. Rhifau gyda fi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. If you joined in, big thumbs up to you. The numbers after 10, the teen numbers, are as follows. 1, 1, 11, which technically means 1, 10 and 1. And the rest of the numbers carry on in that same pattern. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 9, and then 20, 20, 2 tens. You may also hear the number 20 as 20, but learning in Crinder, we are learning the decimal system, which is 20. And the tens up to 100 follow the same pattern. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 1 cant. 100 1 cant. In the foundation phase up to year 2 and also in year 3, we could try some adding with our numbers. For example, sawl 1, how many? Let's try one of these activities now. Let's add some apples. Sawl affel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sawl 1. 12. 12 affel. 12 apples. In the foundation phase, we also teach numbers using a variety of action songs. We are going to sing some together now. If you check out our resources afterwards, you will find lots of different websites that have different counting and number songs. Some of them you will hear now. First, we're going to start by singing Clap, Clap, 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Clap, Another favourite in the foundation phase is un bis, dau bis, tri bis, and dansio, 10 fingers dancing. As we move into Key Stage 2, we start using our numbers to learn money and time. Time we will look at another time. But for today, let's just have a quick look at how we would use numbers in money. Pence is ceiniog. Un ceiniog. Dau ceiniog. Tri ceiniog. Moving up to the teen numbers, 11 ceiniog, 12 ceiniog. You could try setting up a little shop at home and selling and buying things together, and you could use ceiniog or pint, which is pounds, and see if you can work out how much they need to pay and how much change they might get by saying gyda'r and then the amount of money that you need. Bore da, bore da. Gyda'r 2 athal os gwarach yn dda. Of course. Dyma 2 athal. Gyda'r 80 ceiniog os gwarach yn dda. Of course. Dyma 1 pint. Diolch. Dyma'r newydd 20 ceiniog. Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl fawr. Hwyl fawr yn awr. To see us out today, we have the fantastic Mrs. Long with another of her great Welsh learning videos. Today she is playing the game Ble Mae Rhif. Where is the number? I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next time.
Un, dau, tri, pedwar, pump. Un, dau, tri, pedwar, pump. Ble mae 3? Where's number 3? Dyma ti. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ble mae 1? Dyma ti. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ble mae 4? Dyma ti.